Do you like beautiful beaches, tranquil rainforest, beautiful scenery, and maybe some really good filled donuts that originated in Portugal? Well, if that's the case, then you're going to love this episode of World Culinary Journeys. As you can tell, I maybe should lay off some of the sweets, but hey, we're going to dive right into it right now. So let's head on over to Hawaii, which beautiful state with wonderful beaches, amazing scenery, and a unique culture. But before we head into our food travel, a little bit about us. We've traveled to over 80 countries, all 50 states, so very experienced, and we have a lot of great content. So definitely subscribe to not miss out. So we're going to take a look at Malasadas, which I hadn't heard about those until I actually went to Hawaii. So it's actually a Portuguese deep fried donut that was brought over from Madeira and the Azores. So Madeira, we've been there before, beautiful island, and Hawaii made it their own. So you can see that it has a ton of fillings. So you can see from custard, chocolate, a wide variety of kind of options. So it's kind of a deep fried, and you also have a sugary coating to it, and it's really, really delicious. So we definitely tried it when we came to Hawaii because we're all about trying different kind of foods. So in Honolulu, the Waikiki area, there are quite a few places that sell it, like Penny's Malasadas. So we went and got it, and it is delicious, and it's even better if you can get it piping hot. And once again, you have a ton of different, from Nutella, custard, coconut cream, so you can have it filled with all kinds of different fillings, and it's absolutely delicious. So it has that yeasty, sugary kind of flavor. So delicious treat that you can get while in Hawaii. So once again, thanks for watching. Contact us if you want to book a trip to Hawaii, and definitely subscribe to not miss out on content.